So there are a few more power rules I'm going to show you, actually two more. There are many more power rules that you'll be able to explore if you take any more of my courses. But these are two that come up occasionally. Power rule number 3. Says any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we can look at x, let x be any number. If it's raised to the power of 0, e equals 1. And using a number, if we have 43 raised to the power of 0, that's 1. If we have 75 raised to the power of 0, that's 1. 1,000 raised to the power of 0, it is 1. Okay? I want to explain this a little bit. The way I see it is looking at 43, right? Let's look at a smaller number. Let's do 5 again. 5 to the 0 power. Remember when we had 5 to the 1 power and we said that's also equal to 1 times 5 to the 1 power? That 1 told us that there was 1 5 present. But here, with the 0 power, it's telling us that there's 0 5s present, but it's still multiplied to that 1. So the 1 is still there. 0 5s, that 1 is still there. Okay? Another way to think about it. Anything multiplied to 1 is 1. All right, let's look at power rule number 4. Power rule number 4 says, any number raised to a negative power is equal to the fraction of 1 over the base raised to the positive power. This can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Sometimes we forget. So I'm just going to write x as any number raised to a negative power. So a is a power. It's going to be equal to 1 over that number to the positive power. Got it? Let's use some numbers. 5 to negative 2. 5 to the negative 2, we're going to rewrite it as 1 over 5 to the second power, positive. We can reduce this or simplify it by writing 5 to the second power as 25. So the final answer is 1 over 25. Let's do another one. 8. Haven't used that yet. 8 to the negative 2 power. We can write 1 over 8 to the second power, which is positive. And 8 times 8 is 64. Just one more. Let's do 4. 4 to the negative third power. 1 over 4 to the third power. And remember, 4 to the third power is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, that's actually 64. So we got 2 representations of 1 over 64. If you have any questions, email me. And actually, 4 to the negative third power is number 1 in your Got It little quiz section. So go ahead and complete that so that you can get a little bit more practice.